viewers, and welcome to today's edition of the News Bulletin. Here are the headlines of the day. Union Agriculture Minister Narendra Singh Tomar inaugurates North-East Krishi Kumbh at ICAR Umiam. NPP's soft stance against Cabinet Minister Bantedor Lingdo irks Congress leader. Congress asks Centre to take action against attack on minorities in the country. And Congress leader Ronnie Lingdo questions government on Focus programme. Union Minister of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare Narendra Singh Tomar today inaugurated the administrative cum academic block office of the College of Agriculture and Girls Hostel at Kirdemkulai Riboy district. The Union Minister also later inaugurated the 3-day-long North-East Krishi Kumbh and also took part in the 49th Foundation Day celebration of the ICAR Research Complex for North-Eastern Region, Umiam. During the function, the Union Minister spoke on various works taken up by the government to bring fast-paced development of the North-Eastern region in the field of agriculture and allied activities. He added that through the efforts of ICAR, the entire region has seen enormous changes in productivity in relation to agriculture, horticulture, animal husbandry and others. The Union Minister also mentioned the importance of farmers as they play an important role in bringing national growth and urged them to look beyond the traditional methods to modern techniques.
कृषि का क्षेत्र निरंतर मुनाफे में आए, इस बात की चिंता इसलिए जरूरी है कि किसी भी काम से कमाए गए पैसे तो जेब में हो सकते हैं, लेकिन अगर किसान खेती नहीं करेगा और कृषि उत्पाद की उपलब्धता नहीं होगी तो पैसे होने के बाद भी हम क्या खरीदेंगे और कहां से खरीदेंगे.
Recently, Cabinet Minister Bantedor Lingdo alleged that the NPP offered him ₹5 crore to join their party. The statement made by Lingdo caught the attention of many political leaders. The NPP National President Conrad Sangma, who is also the Chief Minister, denied the claim made by Bantedor Lingdo. Talking to media persons yesterday, former Minister and Congress leader J.A. Lingdo took a dig on the NPP for taking a soft stance against the PDF leader Bantedor Lingdo, despite the charges against the party being serious in nature. Lingdo said that the NPP's response that they were unaware of such offers was soft. He said the NPP should have asked Bantedor to apologize or resign from the cabinet post if his claims were false.
Kamdeng ka basisya ka statement ba ay daw when the minister but he was offered 5 crores but contest from NPP, then why don't you ask him and apologize? The chief minister himself and the NPP party should have requested him, please apologize through the press because you have given the wrong statement.
The Meghalaya State Congress yesterday launched yet another attack on the regional parties for supporting the BJP while accusing them of being complicit in the actions that have been taken against the minorities across the country. Referring to the action perpetrated against the minorities in the country, senior Congress leader Ronnie Lingdo said the NPP is a part of the NDA, while other regional parties are part of the BJP-led NEDA, and hence they have equal responsibility in the events taking place in the country. Condemning the recent attack on a church in Chhattisgarh, Lingdo said the party has urged the union and the Chhattisgarh government to take action against the culprits, lamenting that hate speeches were being condoned by the government. He said it had emboldened people to spread more hatred. He demanded action against such hate speeches.
We would like to express, we would like to condemn this act of vandalism of atrocities against religious minorities. And we'd like to urge all the authorities concerned, right, from the Government of India, Government of Chhattisgarh, to take strict action against the culprits and arrest them and punish them as per the law. And we express our sympathy. We share our sorrow with the brethren in Chhattisgarh, Jabalpur, who had to face this atrocity, discrimination by the antisocial elements.
Congress leader Ronnie V. Lingdaw yesterday stated that the focus program of the Meghalaya Democratic Alliance is a government scheme, but beneficiaries are receiving benefits 1 month before the elections. He further added that this is not done to help the farmers or the rural folks, but to win elections. He said that programs held to give out these schemes looked like a party function of the National People's Party. Lingdaw added that the Focus and Focus Plus schemes do not belong to the NPP but to the government. He further added that the Congress party is working for the youth of the state and to remove poverty and underdevelopment. The Congress leader said that they are committed to the cause and therefore will not be deceived by money that is being offered by other parties. Ahead of the Assembly election 2023 in the state, the General Secretary of the state BJP, George Claren Nongbet, on Tuesday inaugurated the party office of the BJP Umroi Mandal at Bhoi Rimbo. The inauguration was also attended by the state Vice President Dr. Everest Mirsing, aspirant candidate of BJP Umroi Mandal Shan Ramde, BJP in charge Rebhoi Babul Suting, and leaders and members of BJP Umroi Mandal, among others. The leaders of the BJP has decided to boost the party as they have assured that the party will win from the Umroi constituency. The Congress has urged the people of Nongkrem constituency to reject the National People's Party candidate. Speaking to the media yesterday, Congress leader Ronnie V. Lingdaw praised the residents of Nongkrem for having the guts to resist coercion and allurement. He was referring to the charge made against Cabinet Minister Dasakyadbha Lamare for allegedly giving out cash to the people of the constituency. He said that if the people want good governance, they should reject such people, as we need lawmakers, not money distributors. And now for the weather report. The maximum temperature recorded in the city was 17.3 degrees Celsius and the minimum temperature was 5.5 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity in the morning was 65%, while it was 77% in the evening. The forecast says the weather is likely to remain dry. This is a reminder that our news bulletin is also available live on our YouTube channel. In addition to watching on television, viewers may visit the DD News Shillong YouTube channel to tune in to our daily bulletin. And before we wind up, here's the headlines once again. Union Agriculture Minister Narendra Singh Tomar inaugurates North-East Krishi Kumbh at ICAR Umyam. NPP's soft stance against Cabinet Minister Bantedor Lingdaw irks Congress leader. Congress asks Centre to take action against the attack on minorities in the country. And Congress leader Ronnie Lingdaw questions government on Focus program. And with that, viewers, we've come to the end of today's edition of the News Bulletin. Do join us back tomorrow at the same time. Good night.
Got it.
सोचिए अगर असल जिंदगी में ऐसी हालत हो तो कितनी मुश्किलें होती हैं, लेकिन शुक्र है बैंकिंग के लिए नहीं।